friends. Myself, Ashwini SM, your English teacher, will continue the class today. So, children, as you all know, we have completed the English capital alphabets from A to Z. Now, we will start with the small alphabets from A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Children, we will now recap the capital and small alphabets once again with their phonic sounds. So this is the capital A and the small a. So A sound A, B sound B, C sound K, D sound D, E sound E, F sound F, G sound G, H sound H, I sound A, J sound J, K sound K, L sound L, M sounds M, N sounds N, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds A, V sound V, W sound V, X sound S, Y sound Y, and Z sound Z. From this, we will learn the alphabets with their picture. So the first alphabet is A. A for alligator. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for boat. Next comes C. C for cat. C for car. Then D. D for dinosaur. D for dog and many more. Next E. E for elephant. E for egg. After E, F. F for frog. F for flower. Then G. G for grass. G for grasshopper. G for goat. G for grapes. Then H. H for hat. H for house. I. I for inchworm. I for igloo. Then J. J for jam. J for jellyfish. J for jug. Then K. K for kettle. K for kite. K for knife. Then L. L for lion. L for lotus. L for leaf. L for lock. After L, M. M for mango. M for mouse. M for map. M for monkey. M for moon. And M for medicine. After M, next is N. N for nest. N for nib. N for net. N for necklace. Then O. O for orange. O for owl. O for onion. O for octopus. Then P. P for pineapple. P for pig. P for parrot. P for panda. P for pencil. P for penguin. Next Q. Q for queen. Q for quiet. Q for quit. Q for quarter. Then comes R. R for rat. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for ring. Next S. S for sun. S for sandals. S for star. S for snowman. Then T. T for tiger. T for tomato. T for teddy. And T for tree. U. U for umbrella. U for under. Then V. V for vulture. V for violin. Next W. W for watermelon. W for wand. W for whale. W for window. After W, next comes X. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. Then Y. Y for yak. Y for yogurt. Y for yoga. Y for yarn. And the last alphabet is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zipper. Z for zoo. So children, with this, today we have completed all 26 English alphabets, that is both small and capital, and their phonic sounds. Now, this is the worksheet for you children. You have to match the capital letters to their small letters. Thank you children. Bye bye.